What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're going to be doing a couple little small mods on the 23 Colorado. A couple of things that I've been putting back just because I've been doing a lot of things like United by Bronco, Engagement in Sequoia, Doom on Dunes. Make sure to go check out all those videos I'll have up here in the past. They're a couple videos ago and they're really fun. So we're also going to be talking about a couple little problems and issues I've been having with the new 23 Colorado. A couple little small mods today, so let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing the Chevrolet American flag decal for the bed. Because I did wrap the rear of the bed like trash, make sure to watch that video. On the inlay of the letters, it didn't work out very well, so we're gonna slap these on top of it and cover up my bad wrap job. All right, guys, what do you think? Did it really make a difference? It still kind of looks a little iffy, but I feel like it covers up a lot of my mess ups. So let's go slap on the trasharoo. All right, so I got this Amazon special Heimel trasharoo. My all top overland one broke when we were camping last time. The buckle, I closed it on the tailgate and it shattered it. So got this one. Honestly, I love like just having a trasharoo in the back of the truck at all times, because like sometimes you don't have a trash can nearby and you can just get all your cups and shit out of your truck, throw it in the trasharoo, and you've got a clean truck. So I'm gonna slap this one on, and I'll show you the little specs on it once I get it on there. All right, so that is the trasharoo and bed decal install right there. Next thing I have is the Z71 badge that I took off when I buffed the whole truck. We're gonna throw those back on. I'm kind of liking the no sticker, but we're gonna see. I don't know if those center caps go with the blue anymore, but I don't know. I'm digging the rear like this. Another reason why I love the trasharoo is, like, at camp, it's just super nice to have like an actual, you know, trash can instead of like hauling around a trash bag all the time. It's annoying. This thing's nice. So when I'm at camp, normally when I cook on the tailgate, I'll have this down, and then the trash can will be just right here. So it'll be, you know, paper towels, just chuck it right into the bag like that, and it's very convenient. When I'm done, just flip this up like that, buckle it, and you're good. Also, another thing I did install is these last fit LED turn signals. Those are super badass. They're way brighter than the OEM bulb ones. I'll show you guys real quick how I did that. All right, so all it is really is you just turn your turn signal bulbs out, turn it, unplug it, plug it back in. It goes in one way, so you got to make sure if it's not working, then you have to flip the bulb around and you're pretty much good. So your LED turn signals right there. So it's a definitely must have. I know the Z71 does have LED headlights, but it does not have LED turn signals. So that's a nice little touch for the front end. It's the LED last fit. I'll put a link in the description for those. Also, guys, I want to talk about some problems that I was having with this truck. I solved them finally, but okay, so let me give you some backstory. The over-the-air updates happened to me twice. One when I was camping, one when I was at home. No, actually, both times when I was camping. You know, the battery drained itself, and then, you know, you had to jump it. It was big, you know, big old ordeal. If you know anything about the Colorados, you know that was a little situation we were having. So that happened to me like twice when I was camping. You know, freaked me out because I didn't have service or anything, so I don't know how it updated, but it did. I was in the middle of the woods, did that whole thing. You know, apparently when your truck has low voltage, your brakes don't want to work, your power steering doesn't want to work, nothing works. And some days it would just be dead. So like, I don't know what the deal is. Thought it was my alternator, but we figured out that it wasn't. So I ended up getting a new battery. I got one of those Optima yellow top batteries. Just replaced the old one. Sometimes it wouldn't even turn on, but if it did, it had error codes because the voltage was too low. So I eventually just went out and got a new battery. So if you guys are having any electrical problems or anything that, you know, it's not doing too good for you, just, you can try to upgrade your battery. I could have went to the dealer and got it, you know, under warranty or whatever, but I have a switch panel and a bunch of things, you know, on the truck. And first, I kind of wanted to upgrade the battery. I didn't want to get the same, you know, AC Delco battery that the GM trucks come with. I wanted to upgrade, you know, a better battery in the long run. If you have any problems, try that. All right, guys. So the Pantheon Tent, the Orion model, they give you a tent rack. So it's like it's a roof rack for your tent. And so I'm gonna be installing that today. You can pretty much put anything you want up there. So it's summertime, got kayaks, got paddle boards, and it's gonna come in real handy when we wanna bring those out to the lake. So this is the box, beautiful box right there. So that's the box, what it comes with, and I'll show you guys the hardware and goodies. All right, so this is the box, and they give you these two top rails right here, and this is the box that comes in. It comes in with these nice, I don't know, billet, CNC'd brackets right there, powder coated nicely, all four. And look at this, guys. I thought this was crazy. So the hardware bag, so let me dump that out real quick. So every company gives you like a wrench to put your stuff together. They actually gave me a good wrench, like a ratcheting wrench. Everyone comes with like a little dinky little wrench. This is like they give you a good wrench. That's awesome. So then it comes with all these pieces. So we're gonna read the directions and figure out how to mount this, and I'll show you guys. It comes with 3 stickers. I gave my pops the bigger one. So beautiful stickers. Let me tell you, and their designs look amazing. So we're going to get this bad boy installed. All right, so you have your nylon locking nut and your normal flat nut. I'm gonna grab the flat one, and we are going to slide that puppy in. Slide that puppy in like so. Just like that. Then you're gonna grab your black little nut with a little bit of Loctite on there. And grab your bracket, and the ones with 2 holes you're gonna put on this way, just like that. You wanna do it loose. Do it loose at first. Do it loose at first, and then we'll eventually tighten it when we know exactly where we want it. So we got that loosely in there like that. Now we're gonna go over to the other side. All right, while we're doing this, I want to tell you guys a couple little fun things coming in the future. I have Icon Vehicle Dynamics Stage 5 suspension coming. They said 8 weeks 2 weeks ago, so 6 weeks, hopefully. That's the one with like the adjustable resis. So you have like all the way to 10. You can adjust the softness and the hardness of that, which is gonna be really nice. I was gonna go with stage 3, but then I realized that I do like to beat my truck up, and probably be a good idea to be able to adjust the hardness and the softness, considering, like, depending on what I'm running. So yes, stage 5 Icon suspension coming real soon, so I'm excited about that. Got this side ready. We're gonna swing over to the other side. Also, some good news, the bumpers from DV8 are on the way. I was told they're on the way, so I'm gonna have to go up there and go get them on Riverside, and we're gonna get them installed, and I'm gonna show you guys on the YouTube channel. So that's gonna be really fun. I'm going to try, and hopefully they have them done around the time the GM Special is hosting that shred event, that trail ride, and hopefully I'll be able to get out there and hang out with the GM Special guys, and all of you guys. If you guys follow the GM Special, make sure to check them out on Instagram. A bunch of GM guys hosting an event, and we're gonna have fun out there. I think Calico, I don't know, I've never been to that area of California, but hopefully I can get that done in one trip to California. So bumpers and GM Special, so that's gonna be really fun. Hope to see you guys there. Make sure to come say hi if you're there. But yeah, that's gonna be fun. I really want to get a Prinsu roof rack and start building out my storage for camping, because I want a deck system too, but that's a lot of things. Go buy some merch on DOWNTIMELOST.com, and that'll help me support the build and more good videos for you guys. All right, so we got those side mounts mounted up, and now we're gonna throw the rails on top of it. All right, good thing about this Pantheon Adventure tent that you can lay or sit on it like this, nice and flat. So we got these two rails all mounted up, and then we got our bolts, fasteners slid into the sides like so. Then we put the caps on so the nuts don't come out, and then we're gonna flip this on top like that, like that. So kind of get it somewhat even, and then you're gonna use the washer underneath there, and then the bolt and the nice ratcheting wrench they give you, which is very, very nice of them. Okay, let's hope we don't drop the phone off the truck. We're up here. Eventually, I'm thinking, eventually I'm thinking I might want to do some solar panels on top of this tent, because it is flat and it's nice up here. I'm thinking about it. I really am thinking about it. If anybody has any ideas, like, I've seen those solar panels that you can, like, it's like a strip and you can cut it and put it on top of the tent. Let me know, send me a link or message me on Instagram, or just comment on this video, and yeah, that'd help me out a lot. I'm not sure anything about solar. I barely can wire up things myself, but yeah, let me know down in the comments. All right, so we got the rig all dialed back in after adding the new Pantheon tent, and we had to move a couple things around and whatnot, but we got these sweet Cologht lights that are camp lights, so I have them a little bit looser so we can, like, move them back and forth in camp. So those are nice amber, and they come with a white lens cover as well. Swing over here, we got the Rome awning coming up. We're doing the Rome 270 pretty soon. We just have that one on there for right now. We got the bag, got the tailgate done. We got the DV8 traction boards up there, and I blew up my fire extinguisher, so that's all good. So we got the Pantheon Adventure tent rack right there, so that's gonna be nice for summertime, bringing the wakeboards, the wake surf, and all that to the lake. We got the normal awning on there for now, but eventually we're gonna get the 270. We're gonna get a Rome shower awning too. So we got a lot of things coming up in the future. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Sorry it's a little short one. It's a little bit different than normal content, but make sure to hit the subscribe and like and comment button, because we got the Icon Stage 5 kit coming in for the truck, Icon Stage 5. We have a Prinsu rack possibly, and the deck system coming in, and we might be at Overland Expo, and the Deviate front rear bumpers coming in. So we got a lot of things coming soon. So make sure, if you're interested, go subscribe and follow the journey on the build. We got a lot of adventures coming up. I think we're going to be doing the PCH trip in California up the Pacific Coast Highway. We're going to be camping along the way. We might go do Antelope Canyon out in like Arizona, Utah area. It's like that area where it's all red rocks and stuff. But we got a lot of adventures, mods, and cool shit coming. So make sure you subscribe. So peace out. I love you guys. See you.